ordered these side mirror mount for the Fzj80. Today we're gonna be mounting it. Ordered them from YodaTeq with 2 brackets, one for the left side, one side for the driver, one side for the passenger. We're gonna be mounting the 3-inch 30-watt LED floodlight from Iron Man. I bought the kit, so it came with the wiring harnesses for it as well. Alright, first I'm gonna remove the door panel so I can access the mirror. For that, there's gonna be 1 screw here, 2 screws up here, a screw here, and then a screw there. So actually all you gotta do is just pop out the speaker, because mine's an aftermarket. I'm able to wire it through here. So next all you wanna do is pop this off. So if you remove the mirror, all we have to do is just pull this back. It's just pop it off. It's gonna be a little hard. Just pop it off. Just pop that off. Disconnect the mirror. All you're just gonna want to do is just rewire it like that and through, and then you just remount it back on.
So this is how it's gonna look like as the finished product with the light pod installed as well, and this is how it looks like with them both installed on both sides.
Huh? So these are the side mount light when they're turned on. This is with my headlight on, with the side mount, with the side light, with my spotlight as well. With the headlight off, the side light, front light, the spotlight, side light with the headlight. That's how the headlights are.
Here's a little clip from the way down of the mountain with the lights on and with them off. There's a major difference with them on and off, as you could tell from the clip.